Hi everybody, this is Mike from Door and Lock Tips, and we're going to look at something today that few people have really ever seen in their lives as far as a door tool. This is an old tool that I have had many purchases of over the years. It is called Dorset. What a tool that was. So this held doors. I'm unboxing one here, putting together probably the last unit that exists. The company went out of business. It was in Florida. But boy, I'll tell you, what a run. Great tool. The only tool I really know that could do all these things. It held the door. It acted like a stand for the door. And it was fabulous.
This is all aircraft aluminum. I took well all this, right? I'm going to cut all the pieces up. Aircraft aluminum though, 6061, it was gorgeous, right? It was portable, but it came down to spending money on a mold. And they wanted hundreds of thousands, and the Chinese were just not budging, so I said, forget it, I'm ditching it.
So the tool's all prepared for work now, and I'm going to work happy. Here's some of the applications over the years. Many applications. I don't really think I could have performed half the work, especially with these monster doors like these storefronts. Oh, and there's another tool. This is made by Adapa. Now, that company's still in business. They make drywall carts. But that cart right there that you see, that orange cart, is called Tip Cart. And I modified it to be able to hold doors. When I used that door set, I would slide the doors onto that tip cart. And I would quite literally tip the doors down to work on the concealed vertical rod hardware. So that company is a great company. They make great wheels. The casters underneath there, they're only like $45 a piece. And what a joy to work with good tools. You got to have them, guys. You got to invest in good tools. I did over the years, and I always got a return on them. And I worked all by myself. That's really where it's at. You know, hiring somebody to hold a door is really not profitable. Having them stand around and maybe get hurt even. Paying workman's comp on them. You just buy these tools and everything's cool. Tip carts, drywall carts, and a door set of some kind. So don't be caught sleeping at the wheel, guys. Get these tools. I'm just giving you a glimpse of how it can work in the commercial world. You know, you have these monster doors. They're so heavy. They're, just at 200 pounds. And they make jigs out there to hold doors. Maybe not as cool as that door set, but the drywall cart's still out there. And that tip cart made by Adapa. And you'll be happy. You'll be happy you bought it. I know I was. It got me so many jobs because I had the right tools, I had the right jigs, and people look at that stuff. You roll up and you've got a pair of gloves on and you're going to lift up, 150 pound, 200 pound door, and the wind can grab it from you. These tools make it simple. So there's some wonderful carts out there. Search the internet. I know I did. That's how you find these things. I look around, I keep searching the internet until finally I run across the right tools. And I really changed the function of these tools, especially from that Adapa company. They didn't ever dream you'd ever use it on doors. But I took some rubber hose from Lowe's, I think it was, and lined all the pipe with it so it wouldn't damage the doors. I just cut one side down the plastic hose, clear plastic hose, and it allowed me to lay the doors down on that pipe so it wouldn't hurt anything. So here I am up on a roof on top of a hospital. And you see them little black things, them round things? Those are for sprinklers. So the disconnects in the sprinkler, the shutoffs, down in the dirt, you have these little round black little canisters. And I just tipped the doors on there so I wouldn't have to lift it up on a sawhorse. Now I'm back in an area where I have to route, so you got to put plastic down. I'm working on tons of doors in this building, and I just did it by myself because, I got the right tools. It was fun. I kind of miss working in those big old buildings. It was a joy. I felt like, a true locksmith should, professional, and people treat you good when you have the right tools. And I always try to emphasize the fact that I had the right stuff. And that tip cart just comes apart and goes right in your truck, by the way. It's kind of fun to have these things. I'm glad I get a chance to show you these tools because not many people have ever seen these things at work. And I just day in and day out used them and made quite a bit of money just working on doors. And you'll move on to locks eventually, but you got to start somewhere. And there's a really good one there. Look at that. It's up on a roof, and the thing is like, 3 feet off the roof? So I took some pallets. Maybe it's 2 feet. I took some pallets and built up some plywood there because no one could get them doors off. They were like blast doors. Yeah, and I had to wear earplugs because of the fact that room was just whining, man. Had huge compressors in it. And they wanted these doors yanked, and then they wanted grills cut in them. So if I wouldn't have had these tools, you might as well just forget about it. There's no way. It would have taken 3 men to pick that one door off. So I yanked the door with that Dorset and basically cut those holes and put those grills in there. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I enjoyed showing you it. Please come back, smash that like button, tell your friends, ring the bell, and I'll have more videos from door and lock tips coming your way. Thank you so much, friends. Have a great day.